Here in the Albuquerque area, they're going to come up early in the morning, so bundle up for those cold winds tomorrow, turning milder for the weekend, and then rain and snow increases from another storm system that'll be digging across. Looks like the southern part of the state. This would be for Monday of next week. Here's the next storm system. It doesn't have a whole lot of moisture associated with it. You can see the one that brought the snow yesterday exiting. Severe weather across the Gulf Coast states. And then as we look at this tomorrow, snow and blowing snow will be light over northeastern parts of the state, but from Raton Pass over to Clayton, it could be dicey at times, but the winds are going to be an issue. Look at this. As we look at 7 o'clock in the morning, look, 38 to 40 mile per hour wind gusts at 7 o'clock in the morning here in the Albuquerque area. It's going to be bitter winds, like a wind chill factor in the single digits here and even below zero up around Santa Fe. Now the winds will start to die down a little bit over many areas as we get in the afternoon, but hanging on with that wind advisory throughout northeastern parts of New Mexico. So check it out, 26 degrees, but with winds out of 16 miles an hour. Again, single digits, teens later on in the morning, and then we get into wind chills in the 30s as the winds start to taper off in the afternoon. But check it out, cold in the morning, those snow showers throughout northeastern parts of New Mexico. We get on into Thursday, and notice that the winds will be coming up statewide, those cold readings, northeastern parts of the state, and at least we get a break from it as we go on into Friday. But Friday will be a cold start, sunny and chilly in the afternoon, and going into Saturday, well, it looks like a few high clouds will start to thicken over the western half of the state, but daytime highs will still be on the increase. So as we look at the Four Corners region forecast, notice that winds gust up to 40 miles an hour around the Farmington area, increasing high clouds for your Saturday, and then increasing showers Monday, and a stronger system could bring some snow toward the middle of next week. 53 in Truth or Consequences, and it'll be brisk at times throughout the Silver City area with some gusty winds, and then the high clouds will thicken for Saturday. Sunday looks pretty good, but Monday a few rain and snow showers around and increasing winds toward Wednesday of next week. 41 over in Fort Sumner, 51 in Hobbs. We'll see a 51 over in Alamogordo as well. Winds gusting to 40 miles an hour across the area throughout southeastern parts of New Mexico. Look at the nice warming trend as we get on into Sunday. And as that next system tracks to the south, it looks like much needed rain could be working in for Monday, which would be absolutely fantastic over there. 31 degrees for a high over in Raton. And just realize there are going to be some areas of snow and blowing snow, cold daytime highs, and the winds are going to pick up early in the morning as well. And when this system departs, single digits to start on Friday, a high of 45, much better for the weekend, but snow showers again Monday and probably a stronger system by Wednesday of next week. 31 degrees for a high, so it's just going to be a rough day over in Santa Fe as we look at it. Cold in the morning with those bitter wind chills, a high of only 41 degrees, improving over the weekend, but again, some snow showers start to work in Monday and again perhaps toward Wednesday of next week, and we'll see temperatures cold in the morning, and those winds are going to be kicking up early, and it's going to be kind of uncomfortable for a time. It does improve after that cold start on Friday, milder with the high clouds working in on Saturday, 57 Sunday, and then winds increase with some rain and snow mixes around, better for Valentine's Day, and then more rain snow mixes along with increasing winds and dropping temperatures going on into Tuesday of next week. So there you have it. It was an interesting day today. We started off with snow, we started off with the freezing fog, sunshine in the afternoon, but boy, I tell you what, you're going to want to bundle up at the bus stop tomorrow.
All right, sounds good. Thank you, Jim.
Ski this